Hey, what's up? Kibiniro here. Now I've been coming to my bathroom to make some videos simply because the lighting is really good in here. And in this video, I want to talk about one of the ways I found to be able to create more videos for yourself, and that is giving yourself some kind of incentive. Now, YouTube has a partnership program where they can get companies to advertise on your YouTube videos, and you get to share some revenue with them. So I am thinking, just like, what can motivate me to do more videos, right? I'm trying to find all the reasons, I'm trying to find many reasons that can motivate me to do videos, because the thing is, you're not going to get results immediately. It may take some time before you start getting some results, but you want to see something, that is gonna keep you pushing forward. So the more reasons you have, the more motives you have, the better, right? So one of the things that I found that can be good is allowing YouTube to advertise on your YouTube on your videos. And let's see, if someone is really interested in the information that you are giving out in your videos, they're gonna see the adverts. They're gonna have to watch the adverts, and it's really good. Don't be scared, like, oh, if there's adverts on my YouTube videos, then people are not going to watch my videos. They're not going to get the value. The person who really needs the value is going to wait and watch your videos, right? So that's how you should think. And I've been watching other people there who are successful. They're also doing the same thing. They're YouTube marketing, but they allow YouTube to allow companies to advertise on their videos. So why not you? I mean, you have that becomes also an extra income stream for you. I mean, if you do certain videos, it may take one video can just go viral, and it goes viral and it gets a lot of hits, millions of hits, and that's how you create an extra income from there. So this should be an incentive for you to create more videos. Remember this, Thomas Edison, the one who invented the light, and thanks to him, probably not everyone thinks about him, but it's said that he did more than 10,000 experiments, but it's almost sure that he did more than 1,000 experiments. And I'll bet maybe he did 2 experiments in a day. I don't know, I'm not really sure. I've never sat and calculated 10,000 experiments, how many hours that would be, or how much time that would take. I've never sat and thought about it. But if you could take that kind of energy and think, okay, if we did 10,000 experiments, then I'm gonna shoot like at least 1,000 videos, or 2,000 videos, or 3,000 videos, right? But you want to find incentives, something to motivate you to keep going. So that's one. So use it. And if you want to learn more from me, get to my newsletter. And if you're running a business, then you want to be able to run your business from anywhere, specifically from your mobile device, which is the new thing right now, to be able to run your business from your mobile device. So if you're interested in that, I'm gonna show you a platform that you can use to do exactly that. Click on the link below this video. Peace.